Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. A movie about making mistakes and having your village support you no matter what. The Jamaican premiere of Sprinter was held last night at Carib 5 in Kingston. Storm Salters shares his vision for the film.
One of the main goals of this film has always been to do what we can to help show our work to the world market, like help to chart a path for the rest of Caribbean, for everyone who's rising. There's a whole movement of filmmakers, of which I am one, and there's a fresh wave of Caribbean cinema that's world cinema, and we want to kind of push the conversation forward. Yeah.
The record-breaking film, which has won numerous awards, was done by US-based producer Robert Melo.
Storm gave me the script. I was able to develop it because I know the culture. It was easy for me to translate what he was trying to do to make sure that the film would work internationally, not just here.
Young lead actor Dale Elliott shines in his role as a self-conflicting student athlete. He battles as a barrel kid left with a drunk, abusive father and a high roller brother. The actor makes his way through the film tackling love, relationship, and his dream of reaching the US, or rather his mother, and his rise as a sprinter with a little help from a legend. His support, actress Chantal Jackson, is just the right spice. The film will be released in the US this April and opens in Jamaica in May. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.